Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Atlas AI, a Shopify AI store builder that can help you set up a new online store in a simple way. If you're just getting started with Shopify or you want an easier way to build your store, Atlas AI can guide you through the setup using AI. So let's get started. So first, I want you to open your Shopify admin dashboard, and once you are there, look at the menu on the left side and click on Apps. So this is where you can find and manage the different apps connected to your Shopify store. Next, use the search option and type in Atlas AI. And when you see the Atlas AI app in the search results, click on it to open its app page. You can quickly review the information shown in there to make sure that you have the correct app before moving forward. After that, click install and follow the steps on the screen to add Atlas AI to your Shopify store. And once the installation is finished, the app should open inside your Shopify admin so you can continue with the setup right away. Now, inside Atlas AI, select Generate Store and then click Next, and then follow the setup prompts on the screen to provide the needed information and start building your store. So once the setup is complete, Atlas AI will use AI to help create your Shopify store, making the process quicker and easier. And that's basically how you can get started with Atlas AI on Shopify. Just install the app, choose the Generate Store option, and follow the instructions provided during the setup. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.